Tesla's affordable Model 3 sedan has an official production schedule. HULU announces a new ad-free tier. Amazon Dash buttons are expanding to more products and more. It's Wednesday, September 2nd, and this is Crunch Report. Hello, everybody! Tesla CEO Elon Musk took to Twitter today. You could say that he tweeted that the company's very highly anticipated Model 3 sedan, highly anticipated because, at least in part, it's at a much lower cost at $35,000 than anything else that you could ever buy from Tesla, will be officially unveiled next March, with pre-orders starting then too. Production won't start for another 2 years because Tesla's Gigafactory needs to be fully operational first. But now we have a timeline. Musk previously said that the Model 3 will be different than any other car on the road, but, quote, in a way that's really useful and just doesn't feel like a weird mobile. Okay. Speaking of Tesla, if you already reserved one of the company's upcoming SUVs, the Model X, you can start customizing yours now. Streaming service Hulu just announced some new pricing options that might make you happy if you hate the idea of paying Hulu $7.99 per month just to watch commercials. A new commercial-free option for $11.99 per month strips the ads out. Well, except for 7 shows. New Girl, Scandal, How to Get Away with Murder, Grey's Anatomy, Once Upon a Time, Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. and Grimm will still show pre-roll and post-roll ads due to studio rights. But for the most part, the collection no longer will have ads. It is worth noting, though, $11.99 per month is more expensive than Netflix, although Hulu still provides a free service with limited content for computers, and the company just signed a deal to carry a collection of movies from Epix, the same deal that Netflix will let expire at the end of this month. Speaking of pricing, if you're a developer building an app with some sort of a map component, Google Maps is pretty much the industry standard. And now the Google Maps API has a new pay-as-you-go model that makes it easier to license it if you're a dev. I'm going to go a little API for a second, but this is interesting how this breaks down. Google Maps geocoding, directions, distance matrix, roads, geolocation, elevation, and time zone APIs stay free of charge for the first 2,500 requests per day. Then devs pay 50 cents per 1,000 additional requests, up to 100,000 requests per API per day. Now, Google says if an app requires more than 100,000 requests per day, maybe you should look into a premium license, and congrats for having users. But this new pay-as-you-go pricing model allows a service to integrate Google Maps right away without any confusion about what it'll cost the company as they scale. Amazon's Dash buttons are apparently enough of a hit that the company is expanding the program to get even more Amazon Prime members to buy these little physical buttons and put them in their homes. Dash buttons let you order products from Amazon via a Wi-Fi connection and started shipping earlier this summer with support for 18 brands. These are everyday items like paper towels, laundry detergent, that sort of thing. Now Amazon is adding 11 more brands to the program and says that it will refund the button cost, which is $4.99, to customers with their first purchase. That also applies to those who've already bought buttons. So basically, use it once and the button is free. So new items that you can order through Dash are Orbit gum, Greenies dental chews, my cats love those, and Ziploc products. I guess they're everyday items. I mean, do people buy that much gum? Maybe. Amazon isn't saying how many buttons it's sold already, but they are available to all Amazon Prime members after being invite only until July. And now on to the Drone Minute. This one is a consumer drone, and it takes 4K video. It's called Snap. It's made by Vantage Robotics, and it's somewhere between a high-level DJI Phantom and a cheap drone. It combines 4K HD recording equipment and gimbal stabilization so you get a nice, stable image in a light, compact body. Now, along with a companion app, Snap will let you as a pilot execute a bunch of automatic camera moves that lets you focus on flying within a 150-meter range. Sounds great, right? And it's available for pre-order now. It does cost $895. $900 is kind of cost prohibitive for a lot of casual droneists, but with a 4K camera thrown in and the ability to throw it into a backpack because it's nice and light, it might be a good all-in-one solution for your artsy aerial shots you think might launch your next career. You know who you are. Disrupt San Francisco is right around the corner, guys. It's taking place at Pier 70, September 21st through the 23rd here in San Francisco. But we're already looking ahead and taking applications for the startup battlefield for Disrupt London, which is taking place in December. The battlefield is TechCrunch's startup competition. It's a big deal. Up-and-coming ideas take to the stage to compete for $50,000 and the Disrupt Cup, which is very prestigious, if I do say so myself. Postmates, Dropbox, Yammer, Zenefits, all past battlefield participants. Applications are open now through September 23rd. So, for eligibility requirements and to submit an application, head over to apply.techcrunch.com and good luck. That's our report for today. I'm Sarah Lane. Crunch Report airs Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific, right here on TechCrunch.com. See you tomorrow.